Hello everyone, I hope so you all are fine and doing good. My name is Amna Ehsan. Today our topic is some important definitions of physics. First one is specific heat capacity, amount of a heat required to raise the temperature of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Wave, disturbance that propagate through a medium or space. Particles means localized object with mass and definite volume. ये बेसिक्स डेफिनेशंस हैं कुछ फिजिक्स से रिलेटेड जिसके ज़रिए आप याद करके या इसको प्रिपेयर करके मैं फिजिक्स को अच्छी तरह समझ सकते हैं। वेव पार्टिकल्स है फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट इन क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स डिस्क्राइबिंग द ड्यूअल नेचर ऑफ मैटर एंड लाइट। स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्स है होल्ड प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स टुगेदर इन एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियाई। इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्स है इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स। A gravitational force attraction between the object with mass. Quantum mechanics branch of physics studying behavior of matter and energy in atomic and subatomic levels. Photon bundle of electromagnetic energy with the zero mass and rest energy. Next हमारे पास momentum product of an object mass and velocity conserved in closed system. P is equal to m multiplied by v. Electric current flow of electric charge measured in amperes represented by capital A. Voltage electric potential difference between the 2 points measured in volt represented by capital V. Resistance opposition to electric current measured in ohms. Heat transfer of thermal energy between objects at different temperatures. Temperature measure of a average kinetic energy of particles in a substance. Entropy measure of a disorder in a system. Weak force responsible for radioactive decay. Kinetic energy an object possesses due to its motion proportional to its mass and velocity squared. Potential energy stored energy an object has due to its position. Work mean force applied over a distance calculated as a force time distance moved in the direction of the force. अब इनकी मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म भी गिवन है, आप देख सकते हैं कि आपके पास कौन सी फॉर्म गिवन है। First law है which is also called law of inertia. An object at rest remains at rest. An object in motion remains in motion unless acted upon by an external force. Second law, law of acceleration. Force equals mass time acceleration, mathematical form F is equal to ma. Third law, law of action and reaction. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Thank you everyone. Stay safe. Kindly like, share, follow my channel and videos. Thank you everyone.